Watto, I'm not sure about Watto. Not happy to be looking like him.
You're not happy?
No.
Have you seen his missus?
Should I reconsider that?
I think you'll be all right. You'll
What
cop
about
it.
Twiggy?
Yeah, where was Twiggy?
There must be someone that
Must
looks
be.
like him.
Oh, I'm sure.
One
We'll
of a
find it for
kind,
next
eh?
week.
One of a kind.
We'll find it for next week.
A very rare breed.
All right, let's have a look at Trentham, a couple of the highlights from Trentham and Tauranga. We're going to start with Trentham, race number 2, the 2-year-old here over 1,200 metres. And it was the Starcraft gelding Hover who was fresh up and super impressive here for the Stanleys, Ellen Sharrock and Jonathan Riddell. Butch, this was real good.
Yeah, just smashed them, didn't he? Gee, he looked okay earlier in the season. He's come out here and put them away pretty comprehensively. It was a reasonably cheap purchase for the Stanleys. Of course, they've raced 2 very good horses out of Allen's stable, and Wahid and Grout over the years. And gee, they might have copped another good one here. He'll head towards the Castletown, yeah, very impressive.
Yeah, he was super one. He had the race in the bag at the 300-metre mark. He was out in the right part of the track and couldn't have been more impressive. Second horse was okay.
Yeah,
So
Electric Ori, your horse,
Yeah, she was okay.
didn't get a start at Ellerslie, did it?
No.
What happened there?
She went off in the gate. She was late scratch,
Yeah.
so we threw her on the float, took her down to Trentham, and yeah, she ran second Saturday, and she'll go on the float and head back up to Ellerslie this week and run the Champagne with winkers on. So
Okay. Happy with her, though?
yeah.
She looks like she wanted to go further too.
Yeah, no, she's a nice horse, and she's a shocking 2-year-old, so they're not bred to do much at 2, but hopefully she can pick up a bit of black type for them.
Doesn't sound that good when you say she's a shocking 2-year-old, does it?
No, it doesn't.
She's a 2-year-old by shocking, should we say that?
Thank you, Andrew.
Race number 8 there at Trentham on Saturday was the Open 14. This was taken out by Taurus, who was absolutely relishing these conditions. Butch for Evan and JJ Rayner, and again Jonathan Riddell.
Yeah, tailor-made for this Taurus, and gets the conditions to suit. You just noticed him during the day as Price kept coming in as they wanted to get to the outside of the track at Trentham on Saturday. He's sort of probably a bit in from where most of them wanted to be. We saw the last race one right down the outside fence, but he's just copped the conditions better than the rest, and he's a good winter galloper.
He's a super winter galloper. Geez, I got tipped him on the day too, but I didn't back him. Second horse was a tragedy beat. Didn't get cleared till 150 metres. That was a tragedy beat. Should have won Meritori Miss, but well done to Taurus. It was a
In
good
the
win.
worst part of it too.
And yeah, for sure. And,
Yeah.
you know, Taurus will figure on through the winter months for sure.
Okay, feature race at Tauranga on Saturday was the Open 12 taken out by Queen's Rose, who made it 7 from 17 on the weekend for Graham Richardson and Vinnie Colgan. Butch.
Yeah, good win strike rate, isn't it? 7 from 17, and Flower Bomb and Queen's Rose, they singled each other out, and they've done a pretty good job towards the line. Look, these are the conditions that Queen's Rose needs. She needs cut on the track, and she got them on Saturday, but she's done it pretty well in the finish.
Yeah, for sure. Like you say, she's a winter galloper. She got the job done. She was at Tauranga previous start, failed. She turns up at Tauranga this time, wins. Tauranga. You never know what's going to happen at Tauranga. But
Yeah, I think the wet Tauranga was the key for her.
Yeah.
was it not wet start before?
No, it wasn't too bad. I think dead track.
Just look wet.
Yeah,
Just played
just
wet.
race like
Sweet.
wet.
Yeah, right.
Okay. All right, back to Friday we go to touch on the Group 3 Manawatu breeders there at Awapuni. Fillies and mares weight for age over 2,000, taken out by Decora for Baker, Forsman and Bosson. Butch.
Yeah, the roll continues, doesn't it? Gee, I thought he'd give this a gorgeous ride, Opie. Cuddled her up. You thought that Emerald Queen was going to go bang halfway down, and I was on Decora, so I didn't want Emerald Queen to go bang, but then Opie asked for the supreme effort and she gave it to him. Look, she's been there and thereabouts in some nice races, and this is a deserved stakes win.
Yeah, for sure. Like you say, she's been around the mark in some good races. She was very strong on the line. I think she pulled up with the thumps, actually, the horse. So, yeah, that's a pretty serious issue, but hopefully she's come through that okay and she presses on. But second and third horses were good. They looked like they were going to run past her at one stage, but she found a second win at about the 150 metre mark, and she was strong.
You're with Way In. We're back with Mark Chittick in just a moment.